In this video, I will show you how to convert text to number in Microsoft Excel. So select it, then right click on it, format cells, and here select number, click on OK. If this method not work, so click this error and here select convert to number. Now control and drag and drop. If you have serial number, so you can convert like this. Another way, copy it like so write your number in any cell, control C, and click any cell where you have this number. Here select paste special. Here select multiply, then click on OK. Now you can apply the setting to all this number. Select it, then paste special and select multiply, then click on OK. So this way you can fix that error. Thanks for watching.